In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Jobber to manage your business efficiently. Whether you're new to Jobber or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through all the essentials step by step. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Jobber website. Make sure you're on the right page to access all the platform's features. Next, decide whether to begin with a free trial or jump straight into a subscription plan. A free trial is perfect if you want to explore Jobber without any immediate commitment. Once you've chosen your plan, provide your email address and create a secure password. Using a unique password helps keep your account safe. With that done, complete the initial setup by entering your personal details like name, phone number, and company information. Accuracy here ensures your account reflects your business identity. Next, input more specific company details, including your company name, industry, and website. You'll also be asked to indicate your top priorities, such as improving efficiency or attracting more customers. This helps Jobber tailor its tools to support your business goals effectively. Now head to the settings section to personalize your account. Start by adding your business logo to give Jobber a professional, branded appearance. Then add your team members and manage their roles and permissions so everyone has the right access to features and data. Make sure to configure your email templates, text message settings, and automated reminders. This ensures consistent communication with clients while streamlining daily operations. Next, set up work types, job durations, and other preferences. Proper configuration makes scheduling and job management much smoother, helping your team stay organized and efficient. Finally, customize route settings, notifications, and other account-specific preferences. Tailoring these options ensures your team receives timely updates and optimizes their workflow. With these steps complete, your Jobber account is fully set up and ready to help you manage your business efficiently. Exploring these features will allow you to get the most out of Jobber and streamline your operations. Thanks for watching and happy job managing with Jobber.